Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be planning my January 2020 monthly view in my social media using colorful boxes and the Be Happy box sticker book. I went ahead and chose this sticker book just because there's a lot of references to the new year. This was the sticker book that was released with the Be Happy box back in December of 2018, if I'm not mistaken. And that is why this one has, this is my new year. Let's see. New year, new you, 365 new opportunities. So I like all these motivational quotes. So this is what drew me into this sticker book, and I think I want to start off by adding this hand right here, and it just says reach for your dreams. So I do like that. At the beginning of the year, you always want to achieve new things. So I think this is fitting, but I don't know if I want to use the smaller hand or the bigger one. I'm not sure if the bigger one is going to be way too big, so I'm gonna have to see about that. But I was thinking of adding one of these flowers maybe up here, so let's try this one. All right, and I was thinking of adding it maybe something like that, and then placing the hand going this way. So let's try the bigger hand. Let's see if we can make this one work. If not, we'll go ahead and grab the smaller one. So let's see. Okay, I think it's just going to be perfect. So I'm gonna lean it more towards this side. That way it's kind of overlapping. And then maybe like that. Okay, I love that. And then let's see what else we could add. I know there was the other New Year quotes, so let's go back to those ones. This one says a new year. New year, new you. I do like that one, but I think for now I'm going to skip it. I was thinking of adding it maybe right up here, but I don't know. And I also chose this sticker book because there's these blues and there's the blue over here on the page. So I chose it for that reason too. And now that I'm looking at it, I like this one. 365 new opportunities. So maybe I could add a flower here and make it go across like that. So let's look for a flower. Where did they go? These ones are too big. I know there's smaller ones. Okay, so these right here. And let's go with this one right here. This one has the leaf on the right. That way we can make the words go right over there. So maybe something. I think I want to put it down a little bit more. So maybe like that. And then the quote could just go right on top. I love how motivational and New Year specific this sticker book is. It is just perfect. So let's go ahead and grab my tweezers. I'm trying to get it really straight. So maybe something like that. And then I think we have some boxes that are solid, so maybe I could cover up this February down here. So okay, so maybe like this one. It says continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection by Mark Twain. So I think this is perfect to just add right over here and cover up that calendar. I know I'm not going to use it, so why leave it there? So maybe something like that. Okay, that looks perfect. And then as far as indicating my videos for the month, I was thinking of adding colorful boxes, and there's not a blue that is this shade. I usually alternate between two colors, and I was even thinking about doing gold, but this is not gold, so I think that'll look way too off, so I decided to go just with black. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Colorful boxes for Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and Saturdays. So that's going to be a lot of colorful boxes, but it really helps me out visually to see exactly how many videos are going out for the day. So right here. And I think that for Sunday, all I'm going to do is just add the boxes. And the way I'm going to alternate is by adding one of these flowers just to kind of separate between the two. So all I'm going to do is just put it all the way to the edge like that. So that's how it's going to be all the way down on Sunday. Okay, perfect. And then for Monday, I think I'm going to look into those smaller little flowers. And then I think I'm going to alternate. So let's see how this goes. So this one is going to just go on the right hand side. So maybe something like that. And then the colorful box. Oh, well, there goes that one. So this colorful box is going to go on this side. Okay, perfect. I like that. So then the other flower will go on the left. And then we can alternate going down the page. All right, so there's that. And now I'm just gonna add blank ones over on Wednesday. So let's see how we can do this. I think this is gonna work out much better. So just like that. I am still trying to get used to working around the coils and not being able to take out the pages just like I used to do with my Happy Planner. So this is definitely something to get used to. It's not coming naturally for me. So I hope I start getting better at it. There we go. And now, where else did we need it? We needed Friday and Saturday. So Friday is the one that's going to have some of the flowers going down the page. All right, perfect. So let's see how this all looks. I just love it. This will visually help me see just exactly how many videos I'm doing for the month, if I do any extra videos on top of the videos that are already set in stone. So this really helps me see how many of these YouTube videos I'm doing. So I love that. Just a little bit goes a long way. And I did kind of clear out this whole page, but that's okay as long as it visually helps me see. So I think I am all done. I really like the way it turned out. This is going to help me out tremendously, and I just love this sticker book. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.